Should you really be chasing a search on Uber? Me, I really don't. Unless I know for sure there's gonna be like a concert, when the concert let out, like Red Rocks or Empower Field at Mile High, then I'm gonna be there. But yeah, I'm 1 mile away from the search. I don't really chase it, so if I get a ride on a $14 search, that'd be awesome. If not, just gonna sit here till I get the next ride. Yeah, I'm closing out the day, by the way. Current time is 8:20 a.m. I'm gonna go get something to eat and go home and sleep. But to all the new drivers, yeah, I don't really chase search that's not in a hot neighborhood, you know, like downtown Denver. So this is in Aurora by Parker and Arapahoe. Earlier there was like a $26 search down in Parker. I didn't drive over there. So yeah, so the I guess the question is, do I chase search? The short answer is no. But the long answer is, if it's Red Rocks or like Empower Field at Mile High, then or lower downtown, then yes.